Hello everyone, welcome back. We are here to update for Hamster Kombat daily cipher code. Today's Hamster Kombat daily cipher code is listing, and today's date is 17 September 24. And listen carefully and watch carefully to how to apply this cipher code. Click, hold, click, 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 hold, click, click, hold, click, hold, click. Okay guys, we have cracked the code, and here you can watch it and also claim 1 million coins. Okay guys, thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and also for daily updates also join our WhatsApp group, link provided in description. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.